Hi, I'm Philippa, and together with Lucy, my sister, we run Talolo boots. Talolo boots, if you've not come across before, are funky cowboy style wellies, and they are certainly a little bit different. We've been running the business since 2019, so we're a pretty small new brand at the moment, and I'm going to show them to you now because they are all hanging up on my lovely washing line in this beautiful sunshine. So they come in two sizes. One is the ankle boot, and the other one is the calf height boot, and they all have the western heel, which you can see here. They are made from 100% biodegradable rubber. They're vegan and they are cotton lined too. And what is so lovely about these is that they just, from a distance, they just don't look like wellies. So we've got animal print in a ankle boot. We've got our urban croc. Now you can replace these with any pair of boots that you'd normally be wearing. I don't want to trash them because they just don't look like wellies, and they've got a lovely sort of mock croc effect. They're basically a smart black wellie. And then we've got some fun snakeskin, which obviously is all in vogue at the moment. Lovely snakeskin wellie. And then we've got our boho floral bliss, which has got beautiful colours, blues and pinks and yellows and oranges and everything, and they go really well with all sorts of things, and everyone gets comments. They tell us when they are out there wearing them. Funky Aztec orange, all out there, shouty fun boots. And then our paisley, which is really quite smart. Wear that, dress that up, dress that down, wear that with just almost anything. And then finally another ankle boot, which is our mock croc chocolate brown ankle boot, which is really stylish too. So, you know, you just don't realise that's a wellie. So we've got a great range for everybody. They're going down really well at the moment, and we're going to be introducing to new designs come later in the summer. But in the meantime, we're taking part in the Wonderlist Goes Pop on the 6th to the 9th of May. So do go and check into Wonderlist to go and sign up, and then you'll get a code which will then be revealed on the day. And then there's all sorts of amazing brands taking part, really small, lovely, independent brands where you just won't find any of these things on the high street. So do go and check them out because there's some great offers and great deals to be had. And congratulations to Laura for putting all this together. Go and enjoy your shopping. Thank you.